just have them in this glass dish right here. These are inaki mushrooms. This is 5 ounces of inaki mushrooms. Going to be our vegan pesto seasoning. So I'm just going to take my spoon, 1.5 tablespoons of our vegan pesto. I'm going to take some of our tomato basil. This is 1/2 tablespoon of our tomato basil seasoning. Our onion and herb seasoning, I'm going to do again 1/2 tablespoon of that, which is this one right here. And I'm also going to do 1/2 tablespoon of the birria taco seasoning, salt, and this is our seasoning salt. Take 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. 1/4 cup of vegetable broth, kind of to just kind of help me stir. I'm gonna get my food processor. It's like that. I'm just gonna put it. The main thing for me when making like a plant-based meat alternative for someone is the texture, especially when working with mushrooms. A lot of people say they don't like mushrooms, but really it's probably just the texture that they don't like, or they had them prepared a way that they didn't like. This would be perfect right here to make like plant-based nuggets for your children or for yourself. In our food processor, smoothing out all of these mushrooms. Put the lid on it and put it in the fridge and let it marinate. Oil, not too much. Again, just gonna go on top with some sea salt, and then I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer. And then I'm going to do 10 more minutes at 390 degrees in the air fryer. So I'm gonna do 10 more minutes at 390 degrees. I just took those oyster mushrooms out the air fryer. So this is 20 minutes total in the air fryer on 390 degrees. The texture is great to me. I just have a bowl with a little bit of water just covering the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to take our rice sheets and I'm just going to sit it in the water. Vegan bone, which looks like this. And basically I'm just gonna pack them in like that and just wrap it around as tight as you could get it, y'all. So it basically look like that. And I'm gonna do some more now. So here are those drumsticks. Add some water to the cast iron pan, and then all of the chilies that I have. These are California chilies, and these little ones right here, baby. Oh, these little ones are spicy. I'm gonna take 3 of them, y'all. I'm gonna take 3 of those. Taking 1 of these, and then the California chilies are not hot at all, so I'm going to take 2 onion top like that, 1/2 of another California chili. I'm kind of just using the onion like to weigh down the chilies so they stay under the water. Like this one right here, I'm gonna just put it right under. 1/2 cup of vegetable broth is 1/2 cup of regular spring water. And I'm putting the whole pepper in there with the seed. So this is California chili. Put 3 California chilies in there. I'm gonna start with 2 of these ones because they're really hot. Some of that onion, like about that much. And I'm just gonna put some of that onion in there. A little bit more onion. Like that. Next I'm gonna add, I'm gonna start off with 2. Start off with 2 sea salt, regular sea salt. Put the lid on. Whew. So we definitely got a hot sauce. Let's see what it tastes like. It actually tastes good. It just needs more. A teaspoon. Key limes. So we're gonna actually do 4 key limes in total. I'm gonna just squeeze them in there. Just add some more salt and key lime juice. A bowl. I'm going to take my strainer. I think I'm gonna need the bigger size strainer. Pour all of the hot sauce and let it strain. And I'm doing this because there are some clumps of pepper and I just want to have a really nice, like, smooth hot sauce. So we're just gonna strain all of that. The one on top, it's more of like a thicker paste, perfect for like a burrito actually. And then this, when we strain it, it's just runny. Pour that one out. And this is the one I'm gonna use to like rub on those vegan drumsticks. I have the runny version, exact same flavor, just one is thick and one has been strained out. So I'm gonna just set these to the side so it could just get all over. I'm just flipping them over and applying the same sauce to the back side of the wings. Like that, and then I'm just put a little bit of oil. I'm about to chop up some burro bananas for fries. Take a little bit of oil, a little bit of the onion and herb, and then next I'm going to take some seasoning salt. It's been about 8 minutes and this is how they look. So I'm actually just gonna go in again with the sauce. I'm just going in once more with that sauce. And I'm cutting the root off. Rings like this, and then I'm gonna do another one about that thick. Another thick. I'm now just separating the onions so that we could have the rings. This is half a cup of batter. Creating the wet batter. So I just did those 20 minutes on that side, and I'm just carefully flipping the wings over so that they could cook on the other side. Whew, it's hot. Yeah, so they could cook on the other side. And I'm just going on top the sauce. Do 20 more minutes, y'all. Just gonna take the whole onion ring and I'm gonna get it coated in that batter, and then I'm gonna come over here and then I'm just going to get that onion ring in that dry batter. And then you just tap it off, and that's what the onion ring should look like. And then I'm just adding another onion ring. Another one. So you guys hear that? Nice and crispy. And then I'm also taking some onion rings like that in this bowl for dipping, and just brush it on top. I'm just brushing it on top. Brushing it on top of all the wings. The hot sauce like that. This is what the vegan drumstick look like. the dipping sauce.